Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn something special. Let's create the program with shop mill and Siemens control. It can be Siemens 828D and 840D. So, we will be discussing about our part, that is, base plate. Its material, hardness followed by its tools which are going to use, and then we will see the tool parameter. After this we learn about how to create new tool in machine and how to create machining program. Let's go! Here you can see our part, which is base plate, having the multiple features like hole, slot, counter bore and chamfer. If you talk about the material, we took the NAK80, which is pre-hardened steel. Its hardness is around 42 HRC. The detailed view is about the corner radius of the slot, which is 1 mm. Let's make the tool selection. We have used bull end mill diameter 20 mm having corner radius 1 mm, following by 10 mm bull end mill for finishing. Then having the center drill to guide the following drill for easy operation. Next we have the 6 mm carbide drill, which we are going to use for each hole. Then we will work with 12 mm diameter drill and then 19.7 U drill for 20 mm diameter hole. After that we will finish the hole with boring tool. Counter bore tool is used to make counter hole, which is 4.4 mm deep. At last we will make chamfer for top edges with chamfer tool. Please note down, all the cutting parameter is calculated for steel with cutting speed from 100 meter per minute to 150 meter per minute and 0.3 mm feed per revolution for drills. Now come to machine side and see how to create new tool in tool offset page. Press offset button and select tool list. Now find the empty one and create new tool. Here you can see every tool types. If you are searching for other kind of tool, you can also switch between cutters, drill, turning tool and special tool. Let's select the ball end mill for this example. Rename it as you want. Mention the length of the tool, that is the length between the spindle face and the tool tip. And mention the radius of tool. Now, let's work on how to create a program. To open a program, go to Programs. Then select Part Program. We have created the program with shop mill. All the process are same as tool list we have prepared before. A comment is added with the end of block symbol for easy understanding. Let's discuss about the program header, which includes work offset number, reference position, blank size and retract plane during operation. First, check the simulation of all the operation. Are all operation is working well or not? Select the simulation button to view the tool movement. Start with plunging of 20 mm bull end mill, achieve the depth of 10.7 mm with 0.3 stock at wall as well as at the floor. Further, proceed with center drill and then 6 mm drill with peck depth. Followed by 12 mm drill with same peck depth strategy. Now come to U drill and see how fast it removes the material. For the finishing of 20 mm diameter hole, we have used the boring cycles. Almost finished all operation. Now finish the slot wall and floor with 10 mm diameter bull end mill with corner radius 1 mm. At last go with chamfer tool and finish all the operations. Check the base plate with different view and congratulations, it got complete. Now look at the operation, how we can create program with shop mill. Open base plate program, create a program for slot machining. Click on the milling icon from the menu. Select the slot in the operation types and click on open slot and configure the given parameter. Select the desired tool from tool list. Mention the feed and spindle speed accordingly. Select the machining strategy according to operation. Parameter the width and length of the slot and mention the final depth to achieve. We can mention the depth of cut and stock has to left. And the process got finished. You are ready with program. Let's see another example for drilling. This time select the Drilling icon from the menu. And select operation type as Drilling. Same as previous options, select the tool and mention the feed and speed parameter. You can switch between spot drilling and peck drilling from the same cycle. Peck depth can be vary from start and at the end as well. So, very easy and safe cycle. And now you are ready with drilling cycle. But never forget to mention the position of the holes after drilling cycle. Now, rest of all operations are same unlike chamfer operation. Let's look into it. Select contour milling option from the menu and select chamfer from machining section. For chamfer cycle we need to define the path of the tool with the linear movement. We can create the path with new contour option. You can see what I have created the chamfer path with dimension from the drawing. You can also extract the path from the drawing file as well. That's all for today. It's all about to use the controller side and do not depend on the CM for the simple production parts. Siemens having the better options to use. So, thank you everyone. If you any questions, please mention in the comments. And if you would like to learn programming with any controller, please mention same. Thank you again.